Downloading data from Zoom is a straightforward process that allows you to access your recordings, chat logs, and other important information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Zoom account. Visit the Zoom website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the data you want to download. Step 2. Navigate to the Recordings section. Once logged in, go to the My Account section. From there, find and click on Recordings in the left sidebar to access your recorded meetings. Step 3. Select the recording to download. In the Recordings section, you will see a list of your recorded meetings. Click on the meeting whose data you wish to download. This will take you to a page with details about the recording. Step 4. Download the recording files. On the meeting details page, you will see options to download different files such as the video, audio, and chat transcript. Click on the download link for each file you want to save to your device. Step 5. Check your downloads. After downloading, navigate to your device's Downloads folder to ensure that all files have been downloaded successfully. You can now access your Zoom data offline. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Zoom. Make sure to keep your files organized for easy access in the future.